Hey guys, welcome to another ServerMiner plugin tutorial. I'm your host LTJim007 and today we look at the Custom Crates plugin. Now this is a really fantastic plugin which allows you to create these awesome custom crates that players can open and win good prizes. So it's very easy to set up, there are some cool GUIs and effects, and overall it's just a really awesome plugin that this creeper wants to have a look as well. So let's just jump into it. So we'll start with the first command, which is /crates. That's going to show you all the in-game commands, and then we'll show you out of the game in the config to set up some crates. So first of all, if we do /crates preview and then the crate name, what that will do is bring up a GUI and then you can see what is in the crate and the chance of it. So I just made this one myself, 3 different types of apples and each have a different percentage chance of getting it if you were to open it, and obviously you can't actually grab them. So how would we open a crate? So you can get a key or a pouch in order to open a crate. So if we do /crates, give my username, and then let's go for apple, and then 1 key, and then let's do default as well. So we've got 2 different keys, you can see they're enchanted, and one is a crate key, the default one is an apple key. So if we use the default one on this one, this is the crate that comes standard with the plugin. You can either get gold or diamonds. They each have a 50% chance. And then over here we've got the apple crate which I created. You can left click to have a preview or right click to use. And as you can see, there is a very high chance I will get a normal apple, but I actually got an enchanted golden one. Only 10% chance for that one, so I got very lucky in that case. So some other useful commands are the /crate list command, and that shows you all the ones that exist. You can do create info, and you can see it's made by Pro-Few Games. And then if you want to open a crate but you're not nearby one of these, you can actually open a pouch. So if we do /crates give pouch, my username, the name of the crate, and then that will give you an ender chest, which is a pouch, and this can be opened wherever you are in the world. It doesn't have to be near these crates. Just right click it and it will open up like normal. It will bring the GUI up, and this time I didn't get very lucky, I just won 2 plain apples. So that is how you would use one in game with either crates or pouches. Very cool. And here we are in the SMPitney control panel. You can see there are 3 YML files and a crates folder. If we jump into the crates folder, we can see the 2 ones that I made earlier and then the test one we just created. If we have a quick look in the apple.yml, you can see up at the top we've got the crate, so the name, the identifier, the broadcast, the block, the spin time, which you can obviously edit if you wanted to. We've got the key and everything about the key. Then we've got the pouch, and then if we scroll down we've got information about the hologram, and this is how it looks like. So you could customize that if you wanted to, add more lines, add more colors, etc. And then we have the prizes. So I've got 3 different prizes and each of them have a different chance, as you can see, 60, 30, 10. And then there will be a law, an amount, the name. You can customize all of that, make it look very jazzy, and then the command is obviously giving the player that item. So if we go back and go into test, the one that we just created, we are just going to tweak this a little bit, make it look a bit nicer, and then add some more prizes. So what should we do? Well, let's copy and paste these 2, that is the easiest way to go about it. And let's change all of these chances to 25%. And then I'm going to change a couple of other bits. I'm going to speed this up so you don't have to watch me for 10 minutes do this, and then we'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I've added a couple more, so we've got emeralds and iron we can win from this, and each item is 25%. Make sure you change it in not only the chance up here, but in any law or anything that will say the chance. And I think that is looking pretty good, so we can hit save on that one. And obviously you could tweak these as much as you want to make it even more colourful. Then we've got these 3 files for the config, not too much in here, we've just got the language. And then if we go into the language English, this is obviously everything that will pop up in chat. Don't need to edit that at all. And then finally you've got the locations.yml, this is obviously the locations of the crates that we have created. And now we can hop back in game. So if we do /crates reload, we can go ahead and make one of these crates ourselves. So if we do /crates set, and then this one's going to be test, you can see test crate has been created. Left click, and then we've got everything here. So we've got iron, emeralds, gold, all with a 25% chance. If I right click, I don't have a test key. So crate, give LTJim, and it's test, and then 1 key. right click, and it's going to cycle through all of them, 25% chance, and we got diamonds for that one. So that is how you would customize it. Obviously you could make even cooler chests with loads of other items and tiny chances to get something really good, etc. And when you're creating these chests, make sure you use the proper item ID, so you can go to a website like this, which will show you the exact name format that you need to use. Otherwise the plugin wouldn't work if you spelled something wrong. So just double check that and you should be good. Here we are on the spigot page. You can see it's updated from 1.7 to 1.16. I'm using it on 1.17, no problem. And if we have a scroll down, you can see we've got the holograms, we've got the commands, we've got the permissions, and if you have any other questions, you can ask the developer. Finally, if you need a server to host it on, check out serverminer.com for the best and cheapest hosting around. But that's it for me. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you next time.